Hello, hi, good evening, my dear students. It is Kalyanashi Sengupta, Senior Secondary Art Teacher at CBSE. Today it is the first day class. I like to arrange this class every month, second Sunday, same time, online. So it is the first day for the CBSE painting students. You know, painting it is a very scoreable subject. If you take the painting from the grade 11 onwards, so it is helpful for your good score in the grade 12. So I like to know if anybody have any querying doubt for this course curriculum of the painting. The code it is a code is the 049. Yes, it is a 049 code, painting 049. So I like to discuss the first class today, little bit area about the painting curriculum. So if you like to build your career after the grade 12, so it is helpful for you as a if you attend a painting class. If you like to build your career as a fashion designer or a face designer or anywhere across the globe as an animator or any fashion designing institution. So if you like to build your career as a fashion designer or a face designer, so obviously basic drawing sense is required. It is the main thing. And another point, I already discussed, the painting is a very scoreable subject and good subject to all. It is easy, mainly easy. So in the painting grade 11 and 12 onwards, the curriculum obviously the same in the CBSE. There are the two paper. Yes, there are two paper, total 100 marks exam. 70 marks is a practical and 30 marks is a theory part. Yes, 70 marks practical, 30 marks theory. So in the board exam grade 12, the 70 marks is divided by the 6 hours. 3 hours for the still life exam practical and 3 hours for the creative composition exam practical. Total 6 hours practical, and theory it is the total 2 hours exam. Okay, theory is a 2 hours exam. So theory is a very easy and very common to all, because theory part they are totally covered up with the Indian art history. Yes, if any teacher he or she is from the art college, so they are able to teach nicely about the Indian art history, because it is related to our art college curriculum. So I hope students also enjoy the class, because Indian art history is the very common and easiest one and related to your practical. The main thing is that CBSE curriculum it is a very easy and very very focused for the students, because their theory part and practical is both same. It is very easy and same, and it should be helpful for your next step future after grade 12. So as an example, I like to share in my school in this year CBSE grade 12 students, the total 6 students attend the board exam, but 3 students they are achieved the 99, and another 3 they got the 94, 93 and 96 like that. So it is fully depend on the planning of the teacher and student from the grade 11. Yes, first day of the grade 11, very important to make a proper plan with the teacher and student. Good communication. It is very easy for the score for the collect the good score, but it is obviously fully depend on the a good arrangement, good planning through the teacher and student mainly. Okay, so total 20 work students should be submit in the grade 12. Total 20 work. So for my planning, every time, not only this year, every year, I collect this work from the grade 11 onwards. 10 work should be complete for the practical. 10 work should be complete for the practical in the grade 11, and 10 work should be complete for the practical paper in grade 12. The total 10 and 10, 20 works. It is helpful for the students, and obviously the thing should be taking more time. The practical work, it is the painting, so the student should be required more days. So for that reason I divide every time the 10 work should be complete in the grade 11 and submit in the annual exam time to the students, should be submitted to the respected teacher, and after that grade 12 they should be start to do the next 10 work. So total 20 work project file should be submitted in the grade 12 before the board. And the theory part there are the total 7 chapters. Yes, in the NCERT book it is a very common and important for the CBSE theory class. So everywhere across the India, the teacher and school should be follow the NCERT curriculum. So NCERT theory book, it is very important for the grade 11 and 12. NCERT theory book 11 is different, and NCERT theory book 12 also different. So thing is that maximum time we are observing in a long time, the CBSE question should be coming from the grade 12 NCERT book, not 11. So obviously we are trying to complete the 11 nicely, practical and theory both, but we are mainly focused about the NCERT grade 12 theory book. It is very true for collect a good score. Okay, so I like to discuss, it is my first day, I like to discuss about some planning, some discussion which should be helpful for the student to achieve the good score. It is not like the theory class I am discussing only. I am not like the discussing only the practical. I like to do some planning, like every time in my school also I am arranging, I am also discuss with my students regarding their practical and theory. So this video also like that. But if anybody like to know more about this curriculum, you have any query, any doubt, so please text me in our chat box or mail us, or please attend me, join my private class. I am in Hyderabad, Operation Kachigoli. It is very renowned school. So if you like to join the school, or if you like to join my class, so please inform us, send the mail to my personal mail ID or text to me in my Facebook chat box. Okay, so I like to discuss right now about the grade 12 NCERT theory part. There are total 8 chapters, right? So 7 chapter is important, and 7 chapter is very common to each and every year, but question is not repeat, sorry. But thing is that if you do the study properly, the book on the NCERT book, and if your teacher should be collect some model question and discuss, if you able to discuss with your teacher, so definitely the question pattern is same, but question is not repeated. There are some fixed pattern, but thing is that the question is not repeated any time. So total 8 chapter is there in NCERT book grade 12, but you people must be continue finish the 7 chapter, not refer the last one. 7 chapter in the NCERT grade 12, it is important every time, every year. Okay, the first one, the first chapter is, it is a very important manuscript, the manuscript painting tradition. Yes, manuscript painting, it is the first chapter. The manuscript painting tradition means it is scroll painting. It is very important. It is easy also, related to the Indian art history. So you people know about this scroll painting, the manuscript painting, and discuss little bit with some videos and images. So it should be helpful for you. It is only the like a very common discussion. So I not like to discuss briefly. It is the first day, so I only like to discuss the very important point today only. And second chapter is the Rajasthani school of painting. Yes, Rajasthani school of painting also very important. And third, the Mughal school of painting, Mughal school of miniature painting. Yes, Mughal school of miniature painting or Mughal school of painting, same thing. Is the third one. And fourth is the Deccan school of painting. Fourth is the Deccan school of painting, and fifth is the Pahari school of painting. Yes, Pahari school of painting. So there are the total 4 different school of painting, right? The 4 different school of painting. These 4 are very important and common to all for the each and every year. The first school is the Rajasthani school of painting, first one. Second is the Mughal school of painting. Third is the Deccan school of painting, and fourth is the Pahari school of painting. This 4 school of painting, the 4th school of painting is very, very important for each and every year. Okay, is the 5th one. And the 6th is the Bengal school of art. Yes, Bengal school of art is a very important, the spine of the Indian art history. So it is also very important and common chapter for each and every year. And the last one is the modern Indian painting, the last one, 7th chapter. So thing is that in our practical, I suggest that 10 work should be complete in the grade 11 and 10 work should be complete in the grade 12, right? So there are still life, realistic drawing is required only. There is still life study, observational study, and antique study, nature study. Okay, and there are some creative work like the mother. There are some creative work like the woman empowerment, save drive, save life, this type of thing. But this thing should be depend on each and every year. Okay, and normally their common thing is the Madhubani painting, Madhubani art, or worldly painting. Yes, Madhubani painting, it is also related to the Indian art history. It is a traditional Indian folk art. It is related to the origin from the Bihar Mithila districts. So thing is that total area of the practical and theory is fully same in the CBSE curriculum. So I hope you will understand. If you have any query, if any doubt, please tell me and discuss. I'd like to discuss the more detail from to our next class. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.